Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is from the company Bonterra. They are hiring a customer success chat specialist. This is going to be mostly non phone. There is a tad bit of phone work involved, but about probably 80 to 90% of the job is non phone. We're going to get on into all that. Just know the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. So just as the job title suggests, this is going to be customer service based. They are looking for somebody to provide frontline support by responding efficiently to client needs and questions, both technical and non-technical. You'll be doing that through email, phone, and chat support lines. And they note that the chat support lines, which are the online chat non-phone, is going to be the primary responsibility of this job. So while you may occasionally help out with the email and the phone, most of your job is going to be doing the chat support lines. You'll work with customers to help them be more effective at fundraising and engaging supporters on Give Grab's platform. You'll be collecting feedback about the product and value proposition, and of course, you'll be providing that feedback through the proper channels to management. You'll also be creating a product documentation that'll help clients achieve success. So if you have questions that are always answering, you'll create documentation, again, that is non-phone responsibility, to be a guide online to help them, and you'll contribute to their online self-service help center. So like when you go on a website and click like the FAQs and you read all the little help articles, you'll be developing those as well. Now, of course, associate's or bachelor's degree is always preferred, but it is not required. You only get bonus points if you have that. So no degree is actually required. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of customer service role, someone who can be flexible with the schedule that they work, because they will need some night and weekend hours worked during their peak season. Of course, you have to have those great customer service skills, strong multitasking capabilities, and you have to be comfortable working in a fast-paced environment so you don't get stressed and flustered real easily. You've got to have good problem-solving skills and great communication skills. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading that and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.